Victorious Diamonds and the new consultants of the Victorious Diamonds unit. I'm so proud of you ladies. You have no idea how excited I am because this is a wonderful journey that you'll make, that you'll be able to make a difference in someone's life and the lives of your own. So the first things first is that we got to figure out what to do with that thing in the box, the starter kit. Okay, so the starter kit, first of all, you go through the starter kit and you and your recruiter will talk about the different things that you have in there and those little gadgets and stuff. And then the next thing that you should have received is a phone call from me that's welcoming you into the business. And then you and I will talk about how you want to run your business, because there's some deadlines and things that Mary Kay actually offers incentives if you choose to have products available. So that's something that you have to, decide what's best for your family. But don't miss out on the opportunity if you choose to do that. Okay, so now that you have made the decision on how you want to run your business, well, you got to get that 3-ring binder and some divider tabs. And the very first tab that you're going to have is called a brain dump. And you're like, what the heck is a brain dump? Well, a brain dump basically is what it is you're taking everything that you're thinking about, whether it's for your family or for your house or for whatever, and you're putting it on paper, and then you're dividing it up into 4 quadrants, either high, medium, low, or delegate. And then from that, you'll actually take information and be able to create a 6 most important things to do list that you would use every day. And you can put that information on your weekly, daily accomplishment sheet, or your weekly plan sheet, excuse me. And essentially, it's a planner is what it is. So like 6 o'clock, you'll do this, 7 o'clock, you do that. And by doing those things, you find out that you actually have a little bit more time than what you thought you did to work your Mary Kay. Some people work their Mary Kay for 2 hours, and some people work it for 20 hours. There's no right or wrong. You got to find what works best for you. So for me, I have found that Monday nights work best for me, and Saturdays between 10 and 4 works best for me. And occasionally, because this is what I do full time, I may find a few people may be able to do appointments at 1 o'clock, 1 or 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So I can work my business however I see fit, because see, I'm the boss. So you're your own boss. So you can pick whether it's 2 hours or 20 hours how to work your Mary Kay business. And so on this video, there's going to be a link, and you can actually be able to look at the resources that you can actually use to be able to help you. And then once you have accomplished those things, the next thing that you'll do is you'll get a list of everybody you know. Everybody. I mean, everybody, your grandma, your grandma's friend, the cousin, the aunt, everybody. And even the people you don't know and the people you like to meet. And those are the first people that you're going to reach out to. That's exactly what I did. I didn't know anybody here, and so I found one person, and she introduced me to some people, and those people introduced me to some people, and that's how it works. You're not going to stay with your family and friends, and so allow us to teach you that. And you can learn a lot of these things at our success meetings, which are typically on Monday nights. And the one that we have is at 600 Jeffrick Boulevard on Monday nights at the Residence Inn, and it's called a Pinkalicious Party. So you could basically go to this Pinkalicious Party, bring some friends, and earn while you learn, and you can learn the concepts of how to run a successful Mary Kay business. It's really not difficult at all. All you do is basically book. You sell them what they can afford. Whatever they can't afford, they can purchase they can get a couple girlfriends together and be able to earn at a party. You actually coach her on how to have a successful party, and then you share the opportunity. And then after that, you also help her by giving her the best customer service, by following up with her in 2 days, 2 weeks, and 2 months. It's just that simple. And people love the concept because at the malls, they don't get that personal one-on-one attention. So you'll go through all that and be able to, start your business. Okay, so a lot of y'all have been saying, okay, well, I'm ready to get started, I'm ready. And so all you have to do is take your list and then get on the phone. And that's where you've been seeing those scripts of things that's the booking for boot camp. It's a 21-day challenge. So you could actually use that to help you to get started. There's a script. You could just basically use it. And I've also attached one of those for you as well. And you can use it to be able to get you started. Okay, so you might want to say, all right, well, I don't know what to start with. Start with the perfect start, which is 15 faces in 15 days. How you get better at doing something is by doing it. You're going to be afraid. You're going to be afraid of rejection. You're going to be afraid of people not accepting you. That's a normal part of life. But how you overcome that is by doing it. And the more you do it, the more confident you'll feel. So that's why I'm challenging you ladies, because today's the 15th and you're a new consultant and you got people. I know you got people because I see your friends on the Facebook. I know it. So basically, I'm asking you to contact 15 people or contact 5 people and ask them to bring 3 people with them so that you can practice. And as a result, this is what will happen for you. You'll earn your perfect start, which is a wonderful pin that you'll get to wear. But let's get it real. I like the pin too, but I'm sure you can use a little extra money. On average, a woman will spend about $50 to $100. So if you do the math, if she spent $100 and you saw 15 people on average, that's $1,500. That's $750 in your pocket. Get excited. So I want you to do your perfect start within 15 days from today. So that would be the end of this month. I believe you can do it. And when you complete this challenge, I know that you'll be able to do it because you're going to feel comfortable and confident, and you're going to gain information that's going to be so valuable. You're going to be able to see that it wasn't as difficult as you thought. It's just a matter of helping women to feel important, not selling things to them, but educating them on how to take care of their skin. No different than the woman that brought you into this business and how she actually showed you how to take care of your skin. You're just returning a favor. And because most of you started the business in March, you have that ability to offer her that $75 starter kit, which basically means that she can actually start her business right now for $75. Where can you go and start a business for $75? Nowhere. Most businesses is going to take $30,000 to get started, and you're not going to get 50% on return on your investment. 50% on any reorders that she make. 50%. Just imagine if you had 10 women that actually started on the Miracle Set. That's $90 per person. That's $900. And so that means you would have profited $450. And every 2 to 3 months, those 10 women will reorder on average $50. Get excited. That's over $500, so $250 when you have done nothing but opened up your computer. Get excited of the possibilities. So I'm asking for you on this 15th day of April to take the challenge on, to put the product on 15 faces. And in the end, I'd like to celebrate you with a perfect start. And I'd like to hear what you were able to do with your family with the extra money and the lives that you changed by offering the opportunity to another woman. I believe you can get it done, and I know you can do it. I believe in you.